Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make tofu salad. It's very simple salad using tofu. If you want to try tofu but don't know what to do with it, try this one. Super simple and delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how to build a menu with this tofu salad, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some lettuce and cherry tomato, 1 pack of tofu, Korean nori seaweed, 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce, rice vinegar, honey, sesame oil and sesame seeds. Let's make the dressing first. You just need to mix all these seasonings in a bowl. Vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, honey, and sesame seeds. Give it a mix. And the dressing is ready. Let's tear the lettuce and add to the bowl. Cherry tomato into half and into the bowl. Tofu. Let's take it out from the package. Cut it into half this way. Then into cubes. Let's dry with paper towel. Then into the bowl. Korean seaweed. Also into the bowl as you rub it and break into little pieces. Give it a gentle toss so that you don't break the tofu. Let's serve in the bowl. And tofu salad is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。Tofu can be a bit too blunt sometimes, but with the dressing, it's super flavorful and delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Tofu salad is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. How about dry curry here, which will also cover the main, and kabocha soup here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.